I'm gonna teach you how you can stay super consistent on YouTube and get a ton of videos out to help your channel grow immediately. And we're getting after it right now. What's up, everybody? This is Jackson Wilkie with the YouTube Agents. If you want to grow a huge YouTube channel for your real estate business that has you stop cold calling and getting hundreds of phone calls from people dying to work with you in your city, then start now by subscribing to this channel and tap that little bell so you're notified every time I do a new video. All right, there are so many tips and tricks that I'm gonna be sharing about YouTube, but the one trick, the one thing you gotta do with YouTube is be consistent. YouTube wants to see your consistency. If you haven't heard of him, Casey Neistat was one of the biggest YouTubers ever. He started out by doing a weekly or even a monthly video. He would get a lot of views, but his channel didn't grow. When he went to doing more of the daily vlogs, he absolutely exploded. He's the most prime example. Consistency is so key in growing your channel. You will watch every video you post, you'll get more subscribers, you'll get more views. Your channel grows. YouTube will promote your videos. It will promote your channel. So consistency, it wants content. It's a hungry video monster and you gotta feed it. So I'm gonna teach you how you can get a ton of videos out for your channel so that YouTube will start ranking you higher than all your competitors. Now, if you've seen our YouTube channel, the Real Agent Now group by Jackson Wilkie and Jesse Dow, we do tons of vlogs about all the different areas of the Portland Metro. Those videos are killer. The funniest thing is, our two best performing videos are ones where I turned my cell phone around, filmed myself about the cost of living in Portland, Oregon, and some pros and cons of it. You can do a ton of videos about what it's like to live in your city by just literally turning your phone around, turning your GoPro, turning your DSLR on, and talking about your city. Give them raw data. Give them personal experiences. Or if you want to do a very cool video like I'm doing right here, well, you get one of these. Green screen. This actually cost me like 50 bucks. And there's cheaper ones out there. But the link will be below of the one that I got and prefer. It's super lightweight and very easy. I mean, it weighs a couple ounces. It folds up and I can take it anywhere. But this right here, you can put any backdrop you want and you will make killer videos that'll have people watching. Now I gotta show you something and you won't believe me, but let me go get it real quick. Now before I got this green screen, I wanted to test out the green screen. I got a new baby coming here in a few weeks and one of the baby blankies, the back of it is green. I hung this up. That's right, I hung this blanket up with these lines, everything, and I put it right behind my head just to test it, and it worked. Check it out. Got my fake little baby blanket green screen, waiting for the big dog to show up tonight, 9 o'clock arrival. Then I'm hitting the YouTube vids up real dirty. So as you can see, you could paint a wall, you could find a green blanket, green cloth from like Michael's, and you can make a green screen. The cool thing about green screen is that you can add a backdrop to it. You can add whatever you want. There's already a bunch built into your editor, but what it does is it just makes for a better looking video. It looks way more professional and you can still shoot with your phone. I have a circle ring light and that's also in the description below because the camera needs good lighting and that's how you get that crystal clear video. But this is how you can pump out a ton of videos. I will batch record 4 or 5 videos a day and then you can publish them to be uploaded at a later date. Now, what videos should you be shooting? Well, if you didn't catch my last video, I teach you how you can search dozens of different video topics. And the more you shoot, the more comments you get of what people actually want to see, and you can start shooting videos on that. But I'm telling you, if you feed the YouTube beast the content that it wants by doing simple videos, point and shoot videos, your channel will grow. You have to just give information about your city, about your neighborhoods, and just continue 2 to 3 a week. I promise you, your channel will grow quickly. But if you don't have a green screen, you don't want to make one, you don't need one. Look at the background of my 2 most popular videos. I stood in my brokerage office when nobody was there, but you can do this in your house, at your brokerage office. You can do it in your kids' room, wherever you want to be. Maybe your office at home, but the content, the information is what people want. Just like you sitting here listening to me. You're wanting this information. You're wanting to know how you can shoot more videos quickly. And so you're watching it. I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm not vlogging. I'm not shooting drones in the air. But I'm giving you the information you want. I'm teaching you how to grow a real estate YouTube channel. And you searched that or you saw it and you wanted that. And when people are moving to your town, they want that information too. So the information and the consistency is absolutely 100% the most important part of growing your YouTube channel. All right, so I got the green screen. Let me show you how you can use it. So obviously you just record yourself standing in front of it. If you look, I'm gonna show you, it's just got this border. Whoa, whoa. So by that, I'm sure you could see that, you know, there's those borders around here, but this gives me plenty to work with. I'm gonna go into my editor and I'm gonna show you exactly how to make a cool background for a green screen and also just how easy it is to use green screen. All right, let's get after it right now. All right, so the first thing I do, this is another video that I'm gonna teach you, but PicMonkey, this is one of the greatest websites ever. It's 100% free. You can make some killer thumbnails with it. A lot of these thumbnails I actually drug into here, so I didn't make these on here. I have made a ton, I'll show you. But I go to PicMonkey, 100% free. And what you can do is you can create new, go to blank canvas. If you want to build a thumbnail, you just go, here's all the YouTube different layouts. So YouTube thumbnail, that will make you a perfectly sized YouTube thumbnail. But obviously when I'm doing video, I go right here to 1080 HD video. And I just create new. So I just have a blank screen. When I drag this into my editor, it will be the perfect size for 1080. And all I did is go right here to background. You can literally pick any color you want. And then what I did is I went right over here to textures. Obviously, you know, I have this color on here, but I can remove that. But I found wood. I liked wood. And I went right here. Boom. There's my background. Like, that was as easy as it is. So you can go through here, you can pick any background you want. Super cool. You know, textures will leave. You can go to marble, watercolor, glitter, just tons of free. You know, there's some metal ones. And you could have this in your background. That would be kind of cool. But anyways, that's what I did. I just built this. The subscribe now button, I won't get into it because it'll just take too long, but I went to Google and I literally just typed subscribe button and went to images, copied that image. And so what you can do with images, any image that you have, the greatest thing about PicMonkey, watch this, if you have an image, and I save everything to my desktop. So right here I have my background that I can drag into my editor, but literally I can drag any picture I want. All right, so here's one of like my business partner, Jesse. I'm just showing you. Boom, I drug it in there. You can move it wherever you want. You can size it. That's how I made it. I put the subscribe button right there. I put our logo, and then you just export it. You literally just save this right to your computer, export it, and it will go right here. I save it to my desktop. Okay, so that's first step. Now, I have it in here. This is the video that I'm actually editing. This is what you're watching. And it comes across, what you have to do is, I'll go to the end over here. Let's say this is the beginning of your video right here. You're going to take that new background that you made. You don't have to make one. There's all these too. If you want gradient, if you want industrial, pinstripes, you can use one of these. It's that easy. This would be your background, and then you drag your clips on top. As long as you got a green screen, you drag it on top. Okay. So now everything's going to be on bottom. Whatever you want green screen needs to be on top. You select it and you go right here. This is this little these square over here, this overlay. You won't believe how easy this is. Click green screen. Boom. There you go. Now you can see this over here. That's fine. This is your crop button, just like on your phone. You can crop a picture. I like to zoom in on my face and make sure there's no corners down there. So about like that. Look at that. Now I'm green screened and it looks amazing. If you ever have any spots, let's say it doesn't come through and there's some lines, all you do is hit this eraser. See how it lightened that up? It was kind of dark. That's how you can make your green screen look so much more clear right there. So that's as easy as it is. Shoot it, make your background, or just grab one out of the editor. There's all these free backgrounds. There's a green one, blue one, red. I made mine. It's right here, obviously. I just drag it in. It's going to do Ken Burns. It moves. Sorry, going fast, but I just hit fit. Now this won't move. Then you go to your media and you drag a clip in. Select it. and you're just gonna go to green screen, blue screen. Boom, you're done. Let's see if it clears anything up. Nope. Anyways, that's it. Now you can pump out a ton of videos, have a killer backdrop. You could even just take a picture of your city, like an aerial drone picture of your city, the downtown, and put it in the background. You know how you see like news reporters and it looks like there's something behind them? That's how you could do this. All right, so I just got done teaching you how easy it is to use a green screen. Like I said, you can just use any backdrop. You can be in your office, but be consistent. Get those videos out. Go back and watch the last video. I think it's up here, or maybe it's up here. How to search those topics of what videos to do. And also one of the videos I did was the 5 must-do videos that you have to do when starting a YouTube channel. If you want to grow a huge YouTube channel for your real estate business too, that gets you dozens of phone calls a month of free leads, then start now by subscribing and tap that bell so you're notified every time I do a new video. And until the next video, we'll catch you later.